Hi all, today's topic is Excel automation using ChatGPT. For that, let's first open the ChatGPT website. Just type ChatGPT in the Google search bar and enter. The first link that is shown is the ChatGPT website. When you click on it, it will take you to the home page of ChatGPT. And if you're a first time user, ChatGPT will ask you to register with your email ID and password and then log in, or you can log in using your Google account. And when you're logging in for the first time, ChatGPT will verify some more information like asking your mobile number and verify it with the OTP. Otherwise, it will also check whether you are a robot or a human being. And after logging in, it will take you to the home page of ChatGPT, where beginner's guide to use ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, all these details are shown. Okay. And if you can see, there is a box here where you can type your questions and ask your question to ChatGPT, which ChatGPT will process and answer. And ChatGPT is a form of generative AI, a tool that users enter prompts and answer the queries, give solution to the queries. And ChatGPT is similar to the automated chat services found on customer service website, where customer can ask the queries and the chatbots will resolve the customer's questions. Okay. ChatGPT also works in the same way. And ChatGPT was launched by a company called OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company. And they created ChatGPT and launched the tool on November 30, 2022. And this OpenAI was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. And ChatGPT now uses the GPT 3.5 model that includes a fine tuning process for its algorithm. ChatGPT Plus uses GPT-4, which offers a faster response time and internet plugins. And GPT-4 also can handle more complex tasks compared with previous models, such as describing photos, generating captions for images, and creating more detailed responses up to 25,000 words. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool and can be used for more than human conversation. People now use ChatGPT to generate codes, compose music, draft emails, ask trivial questions, play games, write video scripts, and even generate art. Unlike other chatbots, ChatGPT can remember various questions to continue the conversation in a more fluid manner. And this first link shows a user guide on how to use ChatGPT. If you can see, you can ask your questions by typing in the box below, and you have to be clear with your intentions. What is the purpose of your question? And use a clear and concise language and provide the reason or the purpose behind your question, and be patient. ChatGPT is a AI tool and it will take time to process your request. So be patient and engage in active listening. That is, pay attention to the responses given by ChatGPT and continue with your follow-up questions. Have a respectful communication and provide feedback to ChatGPT so that it can learn and from the response and improve. Okay, these are some of the tips and tricks to use ChatGPT. Now let's go to today's topic, that is Excel automation using ChatGPT.